welcome to South Jersey Auction by Babington Auctions bidding tutorial. I know that it's a hard time right now. Nobody gets to go to the auctions, but we all want to bid and get our goodies. So I know that sometimes I'm getting some feedback that they're having a little difficulty navigating the website. So this is a tutorial. So hopefully I am not a professional, but I can maybe help you. So pull up any search engine. It could be Google, it could be Chrome, it could be, what's the E one? Explorer, and just type in South Jersey Auction and enter, and it'll come up with several possibilities. That's a little bit, let me get a little smaller there. Okay, and then just click on South Jersey Auction and it will bring up our website. This is our website, and you see it has the home and then the bid now tabs, which is new. That's 3 of our upcoming sales. The first one I'll click on is the May 17th. Okay, and that will bring you onto the online platform. Now, to navigate this site, you have different options, but you see if you just scroll, you can see the items. You can use that using your roller pad, or you could grab onto this thing over here, your bar, and drag it up and down, whatever's easiest for you with your computer. One of the first things I like to do is I like to change my thing to 180 so that I can view 180 lots per one page without having to go to another tab, another tab, another tab. So then I have now, see my lot number right here is 500, and that's the very first item. And now it goes all the way down to 665. And if you see right here, there's no continue. So that's the entire catalog you're seeing there. So you can grab that bar and just grab it back up. And then I want to go over some things with you. There's search items. So you can search by lot number, you could search by description, or you could search by category. So if you want something specific and say you are just interested in, say, children's books, and click on children's books. Oops, sorry. Click on children's books, and it'll bring you up the lot with children's books in it. See? And then to clear that, you would just go up and go back to all categories, or pick something else. Oh, there I go. Okay. The other thing would be search for something in particular. So say here I wanted to do trains. Type in trains and hit enter in this box right here, and now it'll bring up everything in the auction that just has trains. If you click the X, that's going to clear that search and bring up all the items again. Now, say your friend went online and they're like, oh my gosh, you got to look at this item. It's box lot 577. So here where the lot number is, you can type 577 and hit enter. And it'll take you to lot 577. And then if there's additional pictures, they'll show up here. This is just our box lots, and there's pretty much one picture. If you have any questions, or just give me a call or email me, 856-467-4834. Email is misc@southjerseyauction.com. When you see arrows like this, if you click it, it makes it smaller. So this is the item overview. That's like the description. Payment and terms, so click that arrow and it'll show you all the terms and conditions. Scroll back up and click the little arrow and it'll shrink it again. And same with terms and conditions. Gives you the bidding increments also. This auction here is what is called a timed auction. That means that it is going on right now all the way up until June 14th. I think it's June 14th. June 14th, correct. From 6 o'clock, it closes. So all the lots close at the same time. Bam. So it's like an absentee auction. And all right, so if you go up to here and click auctions, that will give you all my upcoming auctions. So you can see the timed auctions. It says timed. That one is for May 17th. I said June. The next one is May 31st. And then we have June 14th, which is the dock items. So to explore the auction, you just click on the button and it's going to bring up, now you are in our May 31st auction. Now remember, you go over here to the items per page, click on the max, because then you don't have to go from one page to another. So here you see lot 200. And then if you grab the little scroll bar and yank it all the way down, it goes to 377. But see here in the middle where it has additional pages? So you click on page 2, and it's going to take you 378 through 444. That's a good number. I like that. All right, so something else. Over here where it says sort by, so here you have all the lots, and if you can click on that, you can sort by the catalog number low to high. So the very first catalog to the last catalog. Then one below it is high to low. So that would be the last catalog item first, and then the first catalog item last. You can search by current bids, placed, bid high to low or low to high, and you can do bids placed, low to high and high to low. So current bid would be, sometimes if there's the absentee, it sorts a little different, but if you play with it, you'll understand it. All right, so now you just scrolling through the auction and say you see something cool, and you click on it. Now it's going to bring you up to that item. You can hover over it and get some detail. That's picture 1. If you use these little arrows, it will jump to the next picture. That's pretty cool. And like I said, you can click on the picture and then just hover over it. It'll give you some detail. Now, this up here is an arrow. So we are on lot 391. You hit this arrow right here, you're going to go back one item to 390. If you hit this arrow over here, you're going to go to 392. If you want to go back to all the auctions, you just click the auction button. But you can just go back. If you hit your arrow back, it'll take you back to the last thing you did. Pretty cool. All right, now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top. And if you decide that you want to bid, you can do it by the item or just register to bid at the auction. So if I like this table and I click on it and I want to register to bid, I just go into, oh shoot, I think I'm logged in. Well, let me see. I'm going to leave bid. I've never left the bid. Oh, okay. I'm not logged in. Okay. So here, if I'm already have an account with Auction Zipper and Valuable, because that's the platform we're using, even though you're utilizing it through my website. If you already have a password and logged into them before, you would just type in your email there and your password here and log in. If you have not been registered with Invaluable or Auction Zip, you have to create an account. So it's first name, last name, email, make a password, and confirm your password, and that will take you into the bidding platform. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call back, 856-467-4834. And I hope I gave you some ideas on how to navigate the website and place your bids with confidence. And I hope to see you all really soon, because we absolutely adore you and we miss you.